I am now sitting inside of it. Hi there guys, my name is David, you are watching VivaLaAutomotive and this is Supercar Sessions.
Supercar Sessions is basically me going through these posh areas of London, trying to locate and photograph some of the rarest, coolest and most expensive cars out on the streets. All cars are given points based on their price, exclusivity, as well as my own perspective. 1 point is for all the basic supercars, 3 for less basic ones, 5 for hypercars, and 10 for the rarest of the rare.
Today we are starting here on Brook Street with this camo-wrapped Bugatti Veyron. I've seen a few Chirons in the past few months, however I haven't seen a Veyron in quite some time. So here's this one right here in this sort of camo wrapper. I'm not even sure what exactly it is. However, it is of course the Bugatti Veyron 16.4. Here you can see the Bugatti badge on the front, the chrome accents, chrome wheels. The interior is finished in this beautiful blue leather with more chrome on the inside. Here you can see the huge W16 engine. You can see 16.4, hence the name of the car, just fully exposed here in the back. One thing that not many people know about the Veyron is the fact that this is actually not the only exhaust, and there are two more just kind of hidden down here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but hidden down there. And yeah, here it is, the Bugatti Veyron. Alright guys, so from seeing and finding this Bugatti Veyron out on the streets, I am now sitting inside of it, just cruising here through the streets of London. I've never sit in a Veyron before. I've had the ride with Lord Aleem and his Chiron, but I mean, this is just something else. Look at the Bugatti logo. Oh, there isn't one. Look at the Bugatti logo there in the middle of the car. Wow, my day just got so much better just here in lockdown London, cruising through Mayfair in this hypercar limited to only 500 units worldwide. Or is it 450? Not really sure, honestly. Okay guys, I'm not really sure how much I recorded, but after finding the Bugatti Veyron on Brook Street, the owner was nice enough to take me for a ride around Mayfair and just the area. So yeah, that's a good start to today's Supercar Sessions, and hopefully I'll see many more supercars. Thank you very much, Alfie, again. I really enjoyed it. I have cycled over to Belgravia, and here close to Belgrave Square I found this beautiful Ferrari 458 Speciale. The Ferrari 458 Speciale is one of my favorite Ferraris and favorite all-time cars, and here we have got this one over here, finished in this sort of bluish grey with this black stripe, black rims, yellow calipers. Let me check if this car has got the carbon fiber pack. Of course it has, so it has the carbon fiber diffuser, the carbon fiber side sills, and these are not carbon fiber as well, they're just body painted, but still this car, it just looks so stunning. I mean, I do love the Ferrari 488 Pista, but come on, the Ferrari 458 Speciale, what a car. Judging by the amount of filth on the car, it has probably been parked here for quite a while. Just look at all of this mess here in the back, and the stunning engine bay, the carbon fiber engine. Excuse these atrocious videos, but I've also seen this unique McLaren 675 LT coupe, finished in dark blue with white pinstriping. We are now waiting here on Park Lane because there was a LaFerrari Aperta spotted down on Sloane Street. The LaFerrari Aperta was seen just a few minutes prior on Sloane Street, and from this picture we figured out that it's probably heading our way. The LaFerrari was here on Stone Street, we were here by the Dorchester Hotel, and this is the route we thought it was going to take. However, our calculations were not exactly correct because instead its route looked more like this and it appeared in the complete opposite direction. Oh well, at least we've seen it. Waiting for the LaFerrari Aperta. Guys, the car that just drove past here on Park Lane is of course the Ferrari LaFerrari Aperta. Last weekend I have seen the standard Ferrari LaFerrari, which is limited to 500 units. The Ferrari LaFerrari Aperta is even rarer than that, and it is limited to only 209 units worldwide. Of course, the name Aperta stands for without a roof, so on this LaFerrari you can take the roof off. Not really sure if today is the ideal weather for taking the roof off, but anyway, the owner of this car apparently bought it just a few days ago and upgraded from his standard LaFerrari that he used to have before that, which I have seen a few years back, so let me show some clips from that day. This video is back from 2019 when I randomly stumbled across the owner's LaFerrari on my way back home from Oxford Street. And of course I had to cycle behind it like a maniac. So yeah, this is everything about the LaFerrari Aperta. I for sure didn't expect to see a $4 million Ferrari Cabriolet today. Alright guys, so I've been on Park Lane for the past hour or so, but now it's getting darker and I'm heading to Mayfair. Alright, so on my short little walk from Park Lane, I have literally seen one single car, which was this McLaren 570S, and I think that it is time to finish off today's Supercar Sessions episode. And what a crazy episode this has once again been. I mean, even though it is freezing out, I have had a ride in the Bugatti Veyron, I have seen a Ferrari LaFerrari Aperta, and many more cars. So if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more automotive content every week. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully see you next time.